What's up, guys? Today I figured to show you how to make some miniature bungee cords for your RC car. So 2 paper clips and a scrunchie for your hair. And you're gonna need some, these aren't needle nose, but they're round nose needle nose, and some wire cutters. What I did was cut the bungee cord in half, used a lighter to singe both ends, and the paper clips. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna straighten this out. The other thing that's handy is to have a set of smooth jaw pliers, and it just helps to straighten your wire out. Paper clip. So once you have it in this shape, now we'll cut the hook to the size we want. Alright, so after you got the hook cut to length, then you're going to line the part that you cut, and then this back part we're going to bend up to a 90. So once you got that bent to your 90, so the way I like to do this is set the hook part here, and then that part there we're going to start wrapping it down here like so. Now what you'll do is move to the other side. So we were over here, now we move the hook over here, and then we're going to bend it. We're just going to repeat that, and we're going to work our way down. So you kind of want to adjust the thickness that you want to start at, because we're going to put a square knot in this side, and you want the bungee in the square knot to be recessed in your bungee cord. All right, so once you have that wrapped down, that's what she's gonna look like. You take it off the pliers. Okay, so if by chance you end up with one like this opposed to this, all you have to do is bend this hook upward. So you take your pliers, you put it in there, you hold it, and then you bend this part upright. So like so. You'll take this part and you'll just bend it, 90 degrees, just like that. So then you're gonna fish that hair tie through. Make sure you have your hooks orientated in the proper manner. We're just gonna tie a simple knot over here, and then one over there. So there you go. After you got it all put together, now it's time to put it on. And that's what she looks like. I'll keep it down.